Film the police.
Well, got pictures. Yeah, like this. Bro, let me hit that Gatorade up. I'm fucking dying. I'm so thirsty.
Yeah, I already tapped into it. I'm dying too. Welcome to Manhattan, folks. Alrighty, excited.
They look like he doing the same thing.
Country boys in the city.
Captain Red, really nice.
Crazy gnarliness. Not even really. Fuck you, dude. Fuck you. Oh man, how many legs he's broke. Fuck you, buddy. Fuck you.
Wait. Oh, this?
No.
Follow your nose.
Follow your nose.
Look at that. It like goes on for miles.
Oh, yeah.
Building.
Yep, on forever. On.
Look at these bikers, insane facts. Moped guy fucking around. Uh-oh, rich. All walks of life.
Look at dude, he's like,
He got a 40. You get an 8. You need an 8 of the loudest shit you want.
yeah, he's like,
That's how guys you. Look, yo, you want to smoke a joint in the city or what? Roll the windows up, man.
no, we wait till we're done, bro.
It's a green light.
Real close.
Best Chinese body
I told
work.
you we're in Chinatown.
Give you that shiatsu on your fucking.
Sook your mother. Give me one of those sook your mother. Holy fuck, it's grid down there. Look at this scooter, man. I'm electric, dude.
What the hell?
Fucking nuts. The only place you can do this shit is right here in New York, man. Oh, yeah. Look at Dennis.
Oh,
somebody
shit.
got feds on him.
Oh man, it's both of them.
Deep. Good thing we did this about that fucking jump.
Mm-hmm.
Good call, by the way. The cards were in your hand. This dude got 6 different dash cams on his car.
Yeah.
You fucking around. Look at the florist, bro. Like a real New York City flower shop. There it is.
You get organic foods and
And
flowers.
where Barry B. Benson at? Oh, let me get one of those. I'm thirsty as fuck, Holmes. Órale. Órale, pendejo. Chingase. Órale. Drink ya. I'm thirsty. It's fucker. Hold on, this on the heat.
Oh, it's the paddy wag. Oh no, never mind. I seen the light and I'm thinking, oh shit.
The dirt, yo, that's a bar too. I can't even read the name of that sign. What the hell?
Sukumoro.
Oh, it's Japanese food, right? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Maybe Indian. I don't know. Thailand?
There's like fucking.
It says something. Mujan Ramen. Making booming ramen? Hey, some of that. Look at that one. Oh, Luna or something. Maybe that's you, bro. What is that? It looks like some Hawaiian food. Maybe Japanese.
Amura.
Japanese.
Amura, yeah. Japanese cuisine. Cuisine.
Domo arigato.
Domo. Look at him go.
Hey, what the? Hey. Oh, God, I'm fucking murder. Fuck you, taxi. Give a fuck about my life. New York City taxis are the worst, bro.
Yeah.
They really don't give a fuck about your life. Wow, man, I can smell so much food.
Yeah,
That's what I'm
dude.
saying, man.
Fucking
I'm
hungry. You get one of those taquitos from the
about to
roadside.
turn into that guy that had bath salts, man. Just start eating people's faces.
I told you, man. They call that city fever. The guy in the
Oh, look,
drive.
smoked fish caviar.
I want to go
That
to
shit-
Zazzy's. Zazaran, right?
Pizza and eatery,
Oh,
yeah.
hell yeah. Dude, look a pharmacy.
The meatball shop.
The short season in New York, everybody's rocking them. Even Lance. Wow, they're hauling ass in these little scoots, bro.
Yeah, that's the
Doing
only
30,
way around,
bro.
man.
Fucking doing 25. Hey,
Oh, you go faster
doing
now.
that longboard. Oh, come on, man. Don't stop for the scat butter, man. Come on. Boom! Oh, you dick. You stuffed me in the leg. Wow. It's electric lawnmower.
Yeah, that shit's dope.
Oh,
I've
hell
tried
yeah.
that shit.
Yeah, I need no leg. Just hit a button.
There's a lot of dogs here. I'm seeing
Look at that
a lot
little
of
shag rag.
Oh!
Shaggy rags. All walks of life, bro. Look around. Every nationality is right here in your fucking doorstep. The Nigerian,